Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to highlight text in Canva using phone. Now if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just click on the text which you want to highlight, of course. Now go on bottom, slide to the right, and here click on FX. Slide to the right again, and here you will see this option background. Just click on it, double click on it, and you can increase its roundness, decrease it according to the way you want. You can spread it, highlight portion, or you can decrease or increase its transparency. Also, you can just change the color by clicking over here. Change whatever you want. So one more way is just click on the text, again go on FX, and also here you can select it neon. You can highlight the text using neon. Just double click on it and increase its power. Make sure to change the text color because white doesn't look good. That's it. So there are two ways by which you can highlight your text, as you have seen. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.